Have you been staring at your Shopify dashboard wondering how to set up cash on delivery without breaking something? Like, is this even allowed? Or are you going to mess up a payment setting and lose sales? Yeah, been there. All right, let's make this simple. Cash on delivery, or COD, is actually still a solid option, especially if your audience doesn't fully trust online payments yet. I used it when I first launched my t-shirt shop, and it got way more conversions than I expected. Here's how you set it up in under 2 minutes, no tech degree required. Step 1, log into Shopify, obviously. Step 2, go to settings and then click payments. Scroll down to the section that says manual payment methods. Step 3, click add manual payment method. Select cash on delivery or COD from the dropdown. You can customize the instructions your customers see, like have exact cash ready, or our delivery dude doesn't carry change. Hit activate and boom, it's live. When I did this, I added a little message like pay in cash when your order arrives. It made it feel less sketchy and more personal, especially for local customers. Pro tip, only offer COD in places where you know you can fulfill orders smoothly. Don't overpromise, or you'll be stuck explaining to someone's grandma why her order never showed up. That's it. Super easy, right? If you're trying to build trust or just starting out, COD can actually be a game changer. Want more tips like this from someone who's messed up enough to know better? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment if you got stuck anywhere, and I got you. You're doing great. Don't overthink it.